I chose to go into the manufacturing world because my personality is to be out there working with equipment, using my hands, building, having to think of it as a puzzle to put together. I'm not one that just likes to sit behind a computer and stare at a screen all day. Although that works a lot for others, that's just not for me. I like to get out there and actually do things with my hands. The fun about the IET program is there's two paths that you can take. One of them is more of a maintenance route, and that makes sure that the equipment is running properly, that everything is functioning efficiently. And then there's a path to which you are actually building the machinery. You're building it, ensuring that everything is working properly, and helping the customer at the end need. If you want to be an IET, I highly recommend it.
When I was in the carpenters union, it was a very seasonal work, so I didn't care for the less hours as it came winter. And with heating and cooling, it's all year round. It's also a very high demand job. You know, you're never gonna run out of heating or cooling. You're always gonna need it. For me, being a woman in the industry, I just feel like I am more wanted since I can actually do the job, and it's not something that you could think that women do usually. After I get my degree, I plan on working with somebody else's business for about 5 years. Then eventually I want to start my own business. That's my main goal, is to run my own HVAC business.
I really loved working with the metal and getting like hands-on with it. It's really satisfying being able to like build something with your own hands and see what that creates. And so I was like, you know, I finally figured out what I wanted to do. But I think you should really at least give it a try because it's really fun being able to make something with your own hands. So it's really fulfilling in that kind of aspect. And also, you know, it's really good money and everyone likes money. So.
Machining is the surfacing, facing, cutting out, edging, all sorts of things in metal, just without heat. For me, machining's fun. I like it. You get to manipulate metal however you want. You get to drill holes in places and grooves and all kinds of things that you would never think of. Pretty much everything made, like cars, toys, even your shoes, are made out of molds. Playing with big machines and cutting metal makes me giddy.